Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. Today we are going to see about the line angle and point angle in dentition. Line angle is nothing but the junction of two surfaces and point angle is the junction of three surfaces. So if you see this picture, for example, the mesiolabial line angle in this anterior tooth is the junction of the mesial surface and the labial surface. Okay, whenever there are two surfaces are coming in contact, we call it as line angle. See this picture. This picture has a line angle that is present in the posterior teeth. Here also bucco-occlusal line angle. Buccal surface and the occlusal surface are coming in junction. That junction is called line angle. So the name will be derived from the surfaces which contributes to that line angle. If the buccal surface and the occlusal surfaces are coming in contact at the junction, then the junction is called bucco-occlusal line angle. Now we will see about the point angle. If you see this picture, for example, mesiolingual incisal point angle. Point angle is the junction of three surfaces. So the mesial surface, lingual surface and incisal surfaces. Three surfaces are meeting at a junction. That junction is called mesio-linguo-incisal point angle. So in this posterior teeth, we see four point angles. Let's take one example, mesio-linguo-occlusal point angle. As I said earlier, three surfaces coming in a junction, that point angle we call it as. So mesio-lingual occlusal point angle means mesial surface, lingual surface and occlusal surface contribute to a point angle at a junction. These three surfaces meet at a point, hence it is called a point angle named by the surfaces contributing by it. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to Dental Shots, and if you like the video, click the like button and don't forget to hit the bell button for the timely notification of further videos from Dental Shots. Have a great day. God bless you all.